Ever accidentally miss a comma or type a wrong initial in your Docusign signature and wonder if it's too late to fix it? When you've already signed a document in Docusign, direct editing of your signature itself is generally not possible due to security and legal integrity. However, there are specific scenarios where you can make essential modifications to the document that might involve your signature's context or accuracy. This tutorial will guide you through the limited, but available, options for handling needed changes. First, the sender holds the key if the document is still in progress and hasn't been fully completed or finalized by all parties. The sender can recall the document from you. They can then make necessary corrections and resend it for you to resign if you are the sender and realize an error in your own signature. You can void the envelope and create a new one to send out again. If you've received a recall notification, simply open the new email from the sender. You'll be prompted to review and sign the document again, allowing you to correct any mistakes from the previous version. Always double-check the information before applying your signature. For situations where the document is mostly complete but a minor correction is needed after signing, and you are the sender, voiding the envelope is your primary recourse. Click on the document from your Docusign dashboard. Then look for the Actions or More Options menu. Select the Void option. You'll be asked to provide a reason, which is crucial for record keeping. Once you've voided the envelope, the original version is invalidated. You can then use the Correct or Void and Resend features if available as the sender, or simply create a completely new envelope with the corrected details and send it to all parties for resigning. Remember, the ability to correct a signed document in Docusign is dependent on its workflow status and the sender's permissions for substantial changes after all signatures are applied. It's often best to consult with the other parties involved and potentially re-execute the document entirely to maintain its legal standing. Always proceed with careful consideration when making any modifications.